What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, coming at you with an unboxing and first impressions video of the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, Nuu Mobile was kind enough to give this to me for free as a review unit at the Consumer Electronics Show. And also shout out to TechRite and Tech Daily for making that possible. But basically, they recently came out with the G3 Plus, and this device is essentially a G3 but with a larger battery. Now, when I was at their booth at CES, I got to meet a good portion of their team, and they also showed me the new G4, which is going to be their next device to come out, kind of the successor to this one. But that won't be out for a little bit now, so in the meantime, they wanted me to check out the G3 Plus. Now, this is my first experience with a Nuu Mobile device, so I'm really excited to check it out, as I've really been wanting to check out their devices for a long time. Alright, so we'll get the plastic off. Alright, there we go. Here we go. Here is the box. So in the front of the box, it says G3 Plus, Nuu Mobile there at the bottom. Now we'll pull this out here and see what is included inside of the box. But very nice packaging, especially for a budget device like this, selling at $229.99. So we'll pick up the lid here. Alright, and there's the phone right there up front. We'll put the phone off to the side, and it says, "Thank you for choosing Nuu Mobile." So you can send them some feedback if you want, make some reviews, you can do whatever you want to do. Now we have some Nuu Mobile stickers here. We have a getting started guide. We have a clear case that you can put on your device if you want to. Very nice to see that that's included. Looks like we have the wall adapter here. We have another adapter here, it looks like, so that you can plug a 3.5mm headphone into the USB Type-C port, so just another adapter here. We have the USB-C cable. We have a SIM card removal tool. And that's everything that's included in the box. Here is the device. So on the front here we have some very basic specifications. So it has a 5.7-inch display coming in at 18:9 aspect ratio. The display is 720p. The device has a MediaTek processor running at 2.39 gigahertz. It supports 4G LTE. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of ROM, a fingerprint ID sensor on the back. It has dual cameras on the rear with 13 and 5 megapixels and a 13 megapixel camera on the front. This device is unlocked, but it is limited to GSM networks. Let's now boot this up. So we're going to hold down the power button. And I heard a buzz, and there we go. Nuu, powered by Android. So we'll let that boot up and we'll take a look at the actual body of the phone in the meantime. So you can see up top here, we do have that 13 megapixel front-facing camera, as well as the earpiece. On the right side, we have the volume rockers and the power button. On the left side, we have nothing. On the top, we have the slot for the SIM card and micro SD card. On the back side, we have that fingerprint sensor. We have the dual cameras, and we have a flash. And then on the bottom, we have the USB-C port, we have the microphone, and we have the speaker. And here is the start screen here. We're going to tap on Let's Go. We're going to skip pretty much everything just so that we can get to the home screen here. Continue. Now I'm just really excited to use this device. I've really been wanting to try out a device from Nuu for quite a while now. So I'm looking forward to doing comparisons, comparing this device to many of the other devices that I've reviewed recently on the channel that I still have. And wow, just for my first impressions here, that display looks really sharp. Even though it is 720p, that display looks really great. It does look like they have a little bit of a skin here because some of these buttons look a little bit different from what I'm used to. Let's take a look and see what wallpapers are pre-installed. So let's just go to the normal wallpapers. And it looks like we have a bunch of different unique wallpapers here available on the device. So we'll set that for both the home and lock screen. That's awesome. Cool. And this is kind of interesting. Some of these icons are different in color. So like that Chrome icon is just blue. So that's kind of strange. But you can see here, let's go over the pre-installed applications. I mean, it looks like for the most part it runs just the standard Android applications that would come from Google. Looks like this file manager might be a little bit different. It's kind of hard to tell because for some of these apps they've changed the icons, like for the camera. But we'll start that up, and yeah, it does look like this is not the stock Android camera application, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. And already it looks like this camera is super clear, so I'm really excited to take this out to a nearby park and take some really nice test photos with it. But I'm really glad to see that this device is 4 GB of RAM, as that's always a great feature to see. Now, I wish this had a Qualcomm processor, but of course we can't get everything for $229.99. Now, if for some reason you don't want the 4,000 milliamp hour internal battery and you want to get the 3,000 milliamp hour internal battery that comes with the regular Nuu G3, then you can save $30, but really I think it's worth the extra $30 to get the 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Let's also see what version of Android is running on this device. Go down to System and go to About Phone, and you can see here it is running Android 8.0 Oreo. So I'm glad it's at least running Oreo. Hopefully there's an update to Pie soon, and I'm sure, and once I do connect this to the internet, I'll have to check and see if there's any software updates, but at the moment it comes pre-installed with Oreo. Now I'm really excited to do a variety of different tests, doing a speed test, making this faster, testing out games and everything, and doing all those comparisons I was talking about before. Now, if you do want to buy this device on Amazon, then definitely take a look at the link in the video description, as they'll take you over to where you can get it. You'll also want to keep in mind that this only works on GSM carriers, so if you use Verizon or Sprint, then you're out of luck. You won't be able to use this device with those, because those are CDMA carriers. Alright, well thanks for watching. This concludes my unboxing and first impressions video of the Nuu G3 Plus. I'm really impressed with it so far, but I'm really looking forward to spending more time with it. But thank you for watching. This is Kevin Breeze here, and I'll catch you in the next video.